Hello everyone, welcome to part 96 of Laravel 11 series, in which we are creating the e-commerce website with Laravel and MongoDB. So we are going to work on user account pages once again, and in this part we are going to work on the change password functionality, so the user can able to change his password after logging into his account. Okay, so we are going to start working on this one. See, in the last part we have seen that we able to work on the user account page, in which user can able to update its billing contact address, and also we able to show the country select box. Okay, so now we are going to work on this change password update password functionality for the user. So let's follow these steps that you can find under video. First thing is that we are going to update the route, add the route for change password, and we have already having the route for the change password here, you can see. And we are going to add get post as well, because we are required to show its page as well as we are going to work on its submit function, that is the post method that will work with the post method. So both get and post is required for this route. User change password is fine and change password is fine. Okay, so we are going to modify its function as well. I'm going to open the user controller, and here I'm going to check for its function, and here I'm going to modify its function. Last time we have just shown the coming soon, but now we are going to update its function, and uh, whenever there whenever the user will try to update the password, it will come in via ajax. Okay, here otherwise we are going to work with the get method, and that just to show the change password page to the user. Okay, change password form to the user. So that change password, we are going to make this blade file under sources users. Here we are going to make its blade file as well. Okay, so we are going to create its change password blade file under users. I'm going to create the new file here, and going to save it with the change password, change underscore password dot blade dot php. Okay, so the file has been created, and make sure that we are going to add its design layout, okay, to this file here, and section, and the inner part we are going to copy from our template, and that is the file name updatePassword.html template from the SiteMakers template. Okay, that we have already downloaded in the beginning of this series. So make sure that you are going to download this template, otherwise you need to take few simple steps that I have told you many times, that you are required to take few simple steps to get this template. Okay, so, and if you don't have the if you you can surely contact me in case you don't know that which steps you are required to follow. Okay, once again I will tell you that there are few simple steps to get the SiteMakers template that will help you to get this HTML template, and you can work on this e-commerce website. So these are the few simple steps. Okay, for Laravel 10, for Laravel 11, for multi-vendor e-commerce series. So these are the few simple steps that you require to take, and you can find these steps at many places, yeah, under many videos, and even the community. Okay, and you can ask me in comment if you don't know that, you can just ask me in comments that please send these steps, that so that you will get the SiteMakers template free. I will send you the credential in your email once you will follow these steps. Okay, so uh, let's open the file. That file name is uh, updatePassword.html. Okay, I'm going to open the updatePassword.html, and we'll bring it here. And here now, this app content we are going to copy from this one, and I'm going to copy this app content, and we'll paste it here, and I'm going to align it as well. Okay, so the only the form we are going to update the form now. Here inside the change password, uh, here we can make it update password or change password, one and the same thing. And this form we are going to update, in which we have added the form ID as well as the field IDs. Okay, so here you can see that we have specified the password success and password error as well, and this is the password form ID by which we are going to call the jQuery. Okay, once the user fills this form and will click on submit, then this we are going to call the jQuery from this ID. Okay, so also we have specified the IDs here as well with these password fields, so that we can show the error to the user if there is any error. So we are going to add the jQuery for this form in custom.js file. So this is the jQuery that we are going to add in custom.js file. See, for complete details, please follow the Laravel 10 series, in which we have explained every jQuery function in detail. Okay, so that everything will is clear to you. So see, on the basis of this password form ID that will work on the submit event. So we are going to show the page loader as well, that we are having that loader. See, this loader we are going to show. Okay, that loader we have generated few videos back. This is the loader that we can show instead of the page loader. This is the loader that we are going to show. Okay, so, and this, make sure that this loader we are going to hide it as well. Okay, that we have already having, and make sure that we will hide this loader as well. So you can remove this page loader that maybe we have generated in Laravel 10 series. Okay, and here also we can just simply hide this loader as well. Okay, so now you can see that we are going to call this user account route, and in which we are changing sorry, we are working on this password form. So here also, see, same thing, we are required to use it here as well. Here we are calling this user change password. Okay, so here also I am going to do it like this. We are going to show and hide the loader. We will show once the jQuery function start, and hide it once it completes with error or success. Okay, and here we are going to call this user change password, and this is the route that we are calling here, and via post method we are going to work on this one, and we are going to will the control will be passed to this change password function in the user controller, and that we are required to modify now. That will work once the request comes from the Ajax. Okay, and here we are going to modify, and first we are going to validate that the change password fields, that the fields that the user input are correct. First, the current password is correct or not. So that current password we are going to check. Yeah, first we are going to check with the validator class that the all three fields are filled up, and the new password the confirmed password is same as the new password. See, both fields must be matching. Okay, and after that we are going to check whether the old password is correct or not, and if all the validations are passed, then we are going to update the password for the user. Okay, and we will return the success message, otherwise we will return the error message. So we are going to check this one, and we'll click on, and here we are also going to update the sidebar. Here we are required to update the sidebar as well. So here is see, right now there is no sidebar, but we are going to update this sidebar later on. Okay, we are going to make the separate file for this, and we'll update it. Okay, so right now I'm just going to open the page like this. Okay, so this is the change password page, and remove the duplicate content from the change password. Here you can see that we have added it twice, so I'm going to remove it like this, and now we are going to see, and now it's fine. And now I'm going to click on save. Yes, it's working fine, and even the loader is working fine. You can see the loader is working fine. Okay, so here it is showing that the three fields are required. So I'm going to first put the incorrect current password, and the new password, then confirm password, and now see, it is saying the confirm and new password must be matching 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now see, it will say the current password is incorrect. So it is showing the error message. I'm going to open the console, and we'll find that what error message is coming exactly. Okay, So I'm going to click on save once again, and I'm going to close this one. Go to open the network, and here I'm going to click on OK, and see, okay, hash function is required because we are updating the password in hash. We require the hash here, so that's why we are going to use the hash. Okay, so now I'm going to try once again, and we click on save, and this time once again the error message is coming. Let's see. Parse error, something, it is saying that something is missing on user control line 14, but that has been done, and now I'm going to try once again, and this time it is saying the your current password is incorrect. Here you can see it will say your current password is incorrect because we have added the incorrect current password 12345 6. Okay, so this time it will say that your password has been updated. You can see the account password successfully updated, but this loader must get removed, and for removing this loader, make sure that we will add this loader hide in every case. Okay, like this. Okay, even if there is some error, then also now we are going to try once again, and see, here I'm going to put here first incorrect password. Okay, and then new password, new password. Okay, then it will ask me to crack the password. Fine, I'm going to crack the password. Now I'm going to click on save, and now it says that the account password successfully updated, so it's working fine now. Okay, so you can do this one at your end, and if you'll face an issue, then surely contact me, and make sure to subscribe as well as join the channel. Okay, and very soon we are going to work on the card page. From the next part, in fact, we are going to work on the card page once again, and now we are going to work on the coupon functionality. After coupon functionality, we will straight away work on the order placement. So very soon we are going to finish this series as well. So make sure that you will subscribe the channel for all the updates, and join the channel if you want to get the complete source code. And also you must understand that now the time is changing. Now you must learn these kind of technologies like MongoDB. Okay, NoSQL database like PostgreSQL. So these kind of things you must learn in future, so that you will get selected in interviews, because now the time is changing. Now you must not dependent on MySQL only. You must be aware of all these kind of things. So that's why I am making this unique series from time to time. Okay, so that's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.